Good morning. So today we're gonna do a happy pen. Or thought this would be fun because parents are at home, a lot of them are working, but wouldn't it be nice that when they go to pick up a pen to write, they pick up your happy pen, the pencil that you made them. I love it. Okay, so this is what you're gonna need. Tape would be perfect. If you have this kind of tape, but any kind of tape would be fine. If you have pipe cleaners, if you don't, that's okay, because I kind of like doing it directly on the pen, just gluing it. But if you have a pipe cleaner, you can glue it on the pipe cleaner and then you can take it off and switch it onto a pencil. Okay, so you can do, as far as things that you need, a lot of times you can have cards laying around that you can use, that you could cut out pictures. Or you can go on the internet, and if you click on something that you like a happy face, or you like dogs, or you like penguins. Where's my penguin one? I love penguins. I made a penguin one. You type that in, and you go to images, and if you right click it, you can copy it and paste it onto a picture and then print it out. So that's what I did here. And this is just tape, kind of make it stronger. Okay, so what you're gonna do is, after you get your pictures, you could even draw a picture if you want. So let's do this one. So you're gonna cut it out. You can cut it bigger. And I do have a hot glue gun that I plugged in. That works probably the easiest if you have it. If you have regular glue, you're just gonna have to let it dry and probably use it the next day. So you cut your picture a little bit smaller, like this, and get your tape. Just lay it flat down, face down, and tape your picture on both sides. Turn it over. And get it, and then after you do both sides, you want to just kind of flatten it. And get your scissors. If you're too young, you can have mom or dad help you. So just cut around your picture. This is pretty easy, but I really like it. So that's how that turned out. So if you do a pencil, obviously if you have a pipe cleaner, you're just going to wrap it around. Just wrap it around. Sometimes it has to go up higher. So of course, because you have the eraser, you want to, a pipe cleaner would probably be better, but you can just cut it here. You could glue it on there, or if you decide to just do a, well, I don't have a pen here in front of me because I've already made them all. So let's do this. So basically, I'm going to grab my glue gun. Okay, and you have your picture there, and lay it face down. Just have your parent glue some glue down. Take your pipe cleaner and you glue it on. Just takes a few seconds, and then it's done. Super easy. And then if you want to switch it to a pen, you can. Anyway, this is called the Happy Pen or Pencil. See you later. Hope you enjoy.